Hey friends, hello and welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can get the resume template on the Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. Go ahead in the window search bar and you need to type Word and you will find Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on that to bring it and open it. Maximize it. Click on the blank document. Now here you will find the file tab which is on the top left corner. Click on that. Here you will find the new option in the list of options on the left pane. Click on new. And here you will find under the search for online templates, you have here suggested searches, business cards, flyers, letters, education, resume and cover letters, and the holiday. Now we need to click on resumes and cover letters. And here you will find all the templates that you want. So you just need to simply choose your template or your design. Now I'm going to have this one, this bold modern resume. So you just need to simply click on your template and you will find this create button. Click on that. And then there you go. So from here, you can simply edit this. You can change your photo into your own photo. You can write your name in here. You can put your job title, your education. You can put your school name, work experience in here. And then your skills, you just need to simply edit it from here. And then your hobbies. And then you also have here your contact, your email, and your profile. So that's it. That's how you can easily create or use a resume template in your Microsoft Word. And if you want to save it, you can simply save it. You just need to click on this file and click on save as, and then click on browse. And then you can simply change the file name to resume. And click on save. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.